Enough reggae music. You must have to choose it. I saw them do it at Jamaica, you know. Roll it for rubber dub.
I know Rasta in truth and righteousness is in our ear giving irreverence. And I tried with an undefeated genealogy, which is written chronologically. Such history is based upon a fundamental background, as even the prophet Marcus Garvey had prophesied as African fundamentalism. And our cause in America at this time is to bring forth our people, which was robbed by our slave masters back from the 18th and 17th centuries, and we come now to redeem them through the power of His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie. And I, true just man, is in this country to see that all democracy and all demonical spirit that is in this world be completely destroyed, down on our feet. Through His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie. He is the first creation bird from in centuries past. He is the foundation of creation. He is the Rastafari Elders, first name. He is now precious ointment. He is the living and true King, Creator, divine objectives of our present days, and will be forever and ever our King and Lord and Creator forever. All people, not Rastas, for the whites, for the blacks, and for the Indians, and for everyone that I know upon earth. His Majesty. I know Rasta in truth and righteousness is in our ear giving irreverence. And I tried with an undefeated genealogy. It is written chronologically. Such history is based upon a fundamental background, as even the prophet Marcus Garvey had prophesied as African fundamentalism. And our cause in America at this time is to bring forth our people, which was robbed by our slave masters back from the 18th and the 17th centuries, and we come now to redeem them through the power of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie. And I, true just man, is in this country to see that all democracy and all demonical spirit that is in this world be completely destroyed, down under our feet. Through His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie. He is the first creation bird from in centuries past. He is the foundation of creation.